Welcome to Dorman Products Nissan Rogue CV Axle Shaft Bracket installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered hard difficulty. Specialty tools are required by our technicians and should take approximately 2 hours. Begin the installation by first properly suspending the vehicle on a lift. Then remove the wheel lug nuts and remove the wheel assembly. Next, remove the axle cotter pin. Remove the axle nut. Now remove the 2 bolts located above the wheel plate in order to disconnect the plate. Remove the knuckle to strut mounting bolts. Unclip the brake hose and ABS wire from the car. Push the axle through the hub to free the axle from the hub. Suspend the steering knuckle using mechanics wire or zip tie. Remove the axle retaining plate bolts and plate from the CV shaft bracket. Pry the CV shaft from the transaxle using a pry bar or similar tool. Remove the CV shaft from the vehicle. Remove the CV shaft bracket, retaining bolts, and remove the bracket from the vehicle. Once the removal is complete, follow the steps in reverse order for installation.